All right. It's 4 or 5 p.m. Me recording this video. It's probably the record how late I can record these videos, because let me first show you what I have done, and probably then might be you will understand me why I'm filming this video so late. Because there is no excuse why I'm able to, or like allowed to film this video so late. First of all, the one thing which really cut me off is just falling asleep. Like literally I fall asleep on that couch. I'm gonna show you. The reason why it's kind of, you can see the, how to say that, accident which happened. I just fall asleep. I'm really sorry. I was working, felt, after eating, was working a little bit, felt like, I want to sleep, and just this happened. For 1 hour and 40 minutes, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't prepared for that. I wake up not that, late today, but whatever happened. Okay, yeah, I'm in the kitchen, right? Oh, so, you can take screenshot of it. Yesterday, as I promised you, I DM'd more than I was expecting to message and DM people at all on Instagram. I DM'd 51 out of 50. Like, I'm not joking, it's literally 51 out of 50, as you can see here. 51 out of 50 people I was aiming to DM. So I DM'd this many people. Let's see if I got the responses. When I checked in the morning, there was no responses. Maybe there is, might be one or two. Okay, there is no responses from these new people I DM'd, but there is one guy from previous. I think I messaged him like freaking 1 or 2 weeks ago. So so I need to have a call with him. There is one really good side of the messaging way of outreaching people, because even if somebody doing some kind of dopamine detox challenge, and they are not on Instagram a lot of times, what is gonna happen? They're gonna miss your message at the moment when you message them, but when they're gonna come back to Instagram week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe even months later, they will see your message, and if they're interested, they will reply to you, or at least they will say these previous people. Let me show you. There is, yeah. Okay. This is a person I messaged like it's Sunday. Today is Wednesday, so it's so I messaged him on Sunday. He is replying on Monday. I could have said I didn't get responses and blah 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 blah, immediate responses and stuff like that, but I don't, because I know how it should work. Another example, Saturday. So there is like Monday, he replied, no, I don't need. So Monday, Saturday, like you see the difference, like freaking 2 days. I next day when I woke up on Sunday, I could have said I didn't get responses from anyone except this dude maybe, but what happened 2 days later, when this dude came back to Instagram and he opened his Instagram, what happened? He did reply to me. Yes, he said no, that he didn't, I mean, don't need a website, but in the end, reply is reply. It's better than nothing, isn't it? So, yeah, I mean, this many people have messaged so far in, I think, 20 hours. This is how 50 people look like on one account. Okay, the way we're planning to become a millionaire, so by making websites for these people I'm messaging, right? For these entrepreneurs. I'm not really choosing who I'm gonna, message to. Like, I don't really give a damn if this is a real estate agent or if this is a maybe whoever. Like, I don't really give a damn. Like, these people are all different kind of backgrounds, from all different kind of backgrounds, real estate, drop shipping stores and stuff like that. And yeah, I am expecting them at least might be interested or know someone who wanna purchase my services. So it's Maghrib time at the current moment when I'm recording it. I just didn't really wanted to take it aside for more, because if I'm gonna like procrastinating and Maghrib is definitely Maghrib is more important and prayer is more important. But the thing is that if I'm gonna be taking down filming this video until the evening when my mom is gonna come to home, I'm definitely not gonna film this vlog today. So that's why, okay, we are gonna DM people today also. Yesterday we DM'd 50. We are doing great, alhamdulillah. We are doing great. Like, last, as you can see right here, DM people last, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. In fact, 8 days in a row. Like, previous 2 days, if you count them, 8 days in a row without losing one single day. One single freaking day. Every freaking day, DMing people. At least 10 out of 50. I was like, there are some days when I was like DMing people right before I go to sleep. And DMing 50 people takes a lot of time. But DMing at least 10 takes like 5-10 minutes. That's why I just DM'd like yeah, I have a good rule, golden rule. Something is better than nothing. So at least even if you're DMing 10 people, do it. Just do it, and yeah, there is one day when I DM'd like 10 people, and there is another day when I DM'd 51, 55, 56, 54 out of 51. I was like actually aiming and promising myself that I'm gonna DM. So there are days when I overdo the work I was planning to do, and there are days when I don't, right? So yeah, there is a little bit chaos going on when it comes to NoFap, like, today and like yesterday. I mean, these 2 days was a little bit hard for me because I was falling asleep during the day, like today. And when you fall asleep during the day, at night you don't really want to sleep, and what happens is that you kind of have waste of time. Like, you have free time, you're just lying on your bed, not tired because you slept freaking 1 hour, 2 hours during the day, and yeah, you don't really want to fall asleep. That's why I have a plan. My plan is to maybe not sleep today. I mean, not I had a golden rule. I'm gonna go to bed between 10:30 and 11 p.m. because I wanted to have a one schedule. So because if you try this challenge, I'm gonna go to bed at this particular time, and I will try my freaking best to wake up at this certain time. My goal, my aim was to wake up at 5 a.m. I don't know what happened. I'm just procrastinating a lot, and as you can see, not being able to wake up like freaking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. Last 7 days in a row, not waking up at 5 a.m. Maybe because I wasn't going to bed early enough, or as I showed you, because 2 days out of the 7 have reasons. I fall asleep during the day and it, destroyed my night routine. So yeah, today I don't know, like I have a like plan in my mind, but am I badass enough to go to bed at 10 or 12 a.m. and the next day wake up at 5 a.m.? I will try. Let's see. I will try. Inshallah. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, this month is going to end, and probably we will need to draw another 4 sheets of these challenges for February. And yeah. Okay, let me now go and read Maghrib. It is 5:48 p.m. right now, so it's about 6 p.m. I'm gonna, next 4 or 5, maybe even 6 hours, I'm gonna be DMing people, applying for work, doing my first CV or portfolio, my resume. I don't have it. I mean, I have it, I need to change it, a lot of things. And what else do I have for today? Test project. Yeah, I got a test project from one company, actually. Subhanallah. We are making progress both in business and both in, like applying for work and getting a normal job. Yeah. Let me show you the beauty from the window. Alright. This is how Maghrib time looks like in my country. I mean, it's winter, that's why it's kind of cloudy, but you can see, it's people. Beautiful, isn't it? Kind of bluish. Okay, peace.